So I travel a lot and I talk to a lot of DJs. And you know, one of the things I hear the most is that they still have people asking them, when are you getting a real job? Hey, it's Bill. It's Creative License, and thanks again for checking out the show. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the little bell and tell everybody you know, because if you do, I might get more than 17 people watching. Wouldn't that be great? And it would be really nice for my sponsors, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, Disc Jockey News, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. One's coming up in November if you want to know more about it. So get a real job. Don't you just hate that? And I know that not everybody hates it, because there's still DJs out there that believe that what we do is not a real job. I still have my family, my dad, who's still at this late age in my life, 28, will sit there and tell me, boy, you better hold on to that radio stuff, because that's really the thing that's going to do well for you. So keep working the radio. There's your real job. How are you going to continue to make money if you're not out there with a real job? You know something? If you do this for real, this is a real job. You don't have to get something that people would call a real job. To do this well, this is a real job. To get a professional, you get paid, it's a real job. People that are not doing it as a real job have regular day jobs. Okay, and then a lot of them are like they're doing it for beer money. You can usually tell the people that are not necessarily doing it for a real job, because not only do they not charge enough, but they don't train, they don't look into doing new things, and they still say that during the day, I have a real job. All right, how about this? How about we stop saying, I got a real job? How about we stop saying that I used to have a real job, or I don't want to quit DJing because if I do, I have to get a real job? How about this is a real profession, a real job, something that you can be happy to do, something that you can be looked up to for doing, something that you can master and be better than anybody else, or at the very least being the very best performer you could be. There are ways to go about this. It's just that you may have to grow up a little bit. You know what I mean? I know this because that was me. Trust me. I did not grow up until I was in my 30s. And what I mean by that is finding a way to turn this into a business, finding a way to make a profit doing this, finding a way to be able to charge enough and do my expenses in such a way that at the end of the year, I was actually contributing to the house, to the car, to the college fund, an actual contributing member of a family that I was creating because I had created something serious, a serious job, a serious real job, not fun. Yeah, that's not right. It is a fun job. We can have fun jobs and it can be real. We don't have to give away the thing that we love to do. We don't have to treat it like we did when we were in college. I know a lot of you guys out there, you're still doing it because, man, it was my golden years. It was my college years, man. It was the funnest time of my life. I want to continue to feel that way. Okay. But you don't have to treat it like that. You could continue to do this into your later years. You could do it as old as I am, 38. Do you think of that idea? Do you like that? What do you think? Have I offended you? I hope I haven't. It really, I decided to do this to inspire you, to get you excited, to make you stop using the words, I don't have a real job, okay? To have you say things like, I have a real job during the day and I do this just for fun in the weekends. It doesn't have to be just for fun. And even if you do both, this is a real job. You're not helping the profession by telling people it's not a real job. You are doing real work for real people, and it matters in the world. So this is a job. This is, I think, a better than a real job. This is an extra real job, don't you think? Now, write your comments below. Tell me that you hate me. Tell me that you love me. Either way, tell a lot of people about the show. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I will see you next week.